Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Petra, and today I am just going to let you guys know what's kind of going on in my life. I am actually getting ready to go back to Spain. I'm gonna go there for like, I don't know, 40-ish days or so. I went there last year and loved it, and then while I was there had heard about the Camino. So if you guys don't know about the Camino, it is a route. There's several routes that you can take all the way to Santiago, and I'll leave a little bit more info down in the description box, so maybe if you guys are interested in what that is. But it is basically a very long hike across Spain, and I'm gonna be taking like the northern route. So that's what I'm gonna be doing here in the next month and a half or so. And I just have not been in the mindset to film videos. I just have, I've been filming them and it just seems like something keeps going wrong. I mean, I've literally filmed like 3 videos to try and get up, and they've just not been coming together. So I just figure, I think it's just because I'm distracted and it's not what I'm supposed to be doing right now, or that's kind of the sense that I get. So I am going to just kind of stop doing them right now. It's been fun and stuff, but I am gonna hopefully come back and restart doing them again. But I just wanted to let you guys know and give you a heads up that if you don't see my videos, that is why, because I am going to be gone, and then of course I didn't get any pre-filmed. So that's what I wanted to let you guys know today. Yeah, I mean, I'm really excited, and I really appreciate you guys watching my channel. For those of you that do stop by and watch my makeup videos. That's it. I don't even know what else to say, but you guys take care, and I will see you guys when I get back. Bye!